This is a $1 billion super yacht, and it's big enough to hold an entire city on the water. Later in this video, we have a $50 million yacht, a $300 million yacht, and the $1 billion super yacht.
Oh my God, he's fast. This is just way bigger than the last one.
I'm really pale.
This is the best yacht I've been on so far. So we got all the goon squads in here.
Which thankfully, when you pay $25 million, you get some jet skis. If you thought this yacht was crazy, look at this video of the $50 million yacht. This yacht is over 200 feet long. When you pay $50 million, you're given this remote that can call the crew at any time.
The guy that's bigger and stronger than all of us did it?
It's really good.
Let's go! Everyone agrees it's better than Hershey's.
Hey Carl, they're trying your gummies.